Hey, what's up everybody, it's your boy Q, you know who and I am. Back, baby, with another video, man. Thank y'all for tuning in, come kick with me today. This video was a request from one of you all about my Anzo lights. You know, basically ownership review, how they holding up, what I like, what I don't like. And I'm like, okay, you know what, that'd be a cool video. I can go ahead and make that for you all really quick because actually I have been getting a lot of questions lately about the headlights I'm running, and you know, are they stock, would I get them, you know, are they custom, everything like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this video real quick and tell y'all, for one, first, they are not custom headlights. So these are the Anzo housing headlights, and I think one of the main things I like about them is they do look like they came stock with the truck. So I had them now for about a year to 2 years, somewhere in there, guys. And I will start off with the Pros. Love the way they look. They are super bright at nighttime, gives your truck a very distinguished look, as you can see here. And they also come with the switchback function. So as you turn your signals on, they turn orange, amber, however you want to call it. They look really good at nighttime. My only gripe about them, con, is at daytime, it's hard to see orange, amber turn signals. You can't really see if it's super bright, super sunny. It's hard to tell. Second gripe about them, and I can't really say this is the housing fault, this is just something I noticed. The Anzo housing is a projector style housing. I have LED bulbs. LED bulbs are not the best for this particular style housing. If you're gonna go something, get HIDs, but the LEDs just look better in my opinion. Now, as far as issues, I personally have an issue with this one here. I think I got the bulb in wrong, so I can't really say it's the Anzo, but there's like an orange dark space in the middle of my bulb. I did several videos on it, and basically a few guys have come and said, hey man, when I put the bulb in, I turned it, it needs to just go straight in, don't turn it, don't clamp it down. Use those two clamps they give you to clamp it down, and that's how you hold it. So that's my fault. The last thing is, I have had some issues with my switchback function staying connected. Now, again, that's not the housing fault, that's just an installer issue. What I suggest is, if you're gonna do it yourself, which I did, it's not hard, take your time. It took me about 3 hours, just take your time. Maybe solder those wires together. You have to basically use those little, forget the blue clamps, you clamp it in. But if you probably maybe solder this together, maybe a more stable connection, you won't have any issues. For the most part, it holds up pretty good. I haven't had too many issues with it staying, but I did have a one where this one right here, the orange amber, stopped working. I went back in and tightened it up. And actually now this one sometimes give me issues. It works 99% of the time, but some days I come out and it's not working. I just kind of tap it and it'll start working again. Now, come to aftermarket, these cost you about $500 total. Just for the housing, then you have to buy the bulbs. I do recommend, if you're gonna get these, go ahead and swap your your low beam and your high beam. I only did the low beam. I didn't really feel it necessary to do my high beams because I don't run my high beams very often, but if you're going to and you want to, do it when you get it. Trust me, it's just gonna make your life easier. The Anzos came out a while ago, I think, and now since I had these, there are two other brands that's out. Alpha Rex is another very popular one that people are going to now, and also the Morimoto is probably by far the most popular one, booming right now, but they're like $1,500, man. I mean, these look just as good. Don't get me wrong, the Morimotos are sick. They are dope as heck. I'll tell you that for real, they are dope. But for $1,500, $1,200 to $1,500, pretty penny for some headlights. These $500, man, and you can see they look amazing. Like, makes the truck look nice and mean, and it looks very stock, look like it should be on the truck. It doesn't look like it's out of place. But you know, again, that's just me, my opinion. Would I recommend these? Absolutely, yes, definitely recommend them for sure. Just make sure when you wire your switch back there, just make sure you really solidly wire it in there, and there's instruction how to do it. Maybe go HIDs for light output, because again, the light output is not that good. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, it's not that great with these. It may just be the bulb, I don't know, but it's not that great with the LEDs I have in here personally. It's okay, just not the best. I run my fog lights probably 99% of the time. Again, I would definitely recommend the Anzo headlights. Look great, no issues. They've been holding up fine, no water damage, nothing's peeling off. Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Again, Anzo housing, and we'll catch y'all on the next one, baby. Peace.